Hi everyone, my name is Sergio Siba and I want to welcome you to the online course on how to become a farmers market vendor. A little bit about myself. I've been doing farmers markets for over 10 years, selling various products. I also help people start their own farmers market business. And today I want to teach you step by step on how you can become a successful farmers market vendor in less than 30 days. In this course, you're going to learn number one, finding out what to sell. Number two, finding a market, getting into the farmer's market. Number three, permits and regulations. Number four, setup and your first day. Number one, finding out what to sell. There are four types of products or services sold at farmers markets. Each one of them has their own pros and cons, and some of them are more profitable than others. The main thing to remember when choosing a product is to sell what you will enjoy selling for years to come and always in demand. First category of products you can sell at a farmer's market is hot food. It's usually cooked on site. Things like hot dogs, hamburgers, wood-fired pizzas, fresh popped kettle corn, fresh brewed coffees like pour-overs, juices, steamed tamales, baked empanadas. You can bring a little oven to the market. Number two, we have prepackaged foods. There's a lot of prepackaged foods you can sell. A few examples are hummus, salsa, and dips. Sweet stuff like jelly, jams, chocolate, yogurt. Pickled and preserved food like sauerkraut and pickles. Freshly baked breads, cupcakes, and cookies. Bottled drinks like kombucha, cold brew coffee, elixirs, and I've also seen spices, barbecue rubs, and marinades. Number three, arts and crafts. These are things like paintings, photography, ceramics, woodworking like birdhouses, cutting boards, crochet, home handmade hats and sweaters, essential oils, soaps, candles. Number four, we have local services and local businesses. These are people like real estate agents, chiropractors, physical therapists, massage therapists, local non-profit organizations, coffee shops, bakeries. If you have a local brick and mortar store, farmers markets is a great way to advertise and create additional income.